Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Trader. So let's discuss the trade setup of 26th November. So today I worked on ICICI Bank and booked a profit of 3353. So coming to the trade setup over here, let me take a chart of ICICI. So let's discuss in detail. So as soon as I see over here, this is my breakdown which I have taken my entry. So it's just not just because it is a breakdown I have taken over here. It is just one of the reasons why I have entered over here. So as usual, when I entered this, the bottom point was this and the top was this. So let's draw a Fibo from top to bottom as usual. So this is the top, and when I entered, this was the bottom. So when we see a breakdown over here, our next concern is it had a down move. Let's see it had its retracement at some point. So here what I say is zero point 0.5 being taken as retracement. So a down move, we see retracement over here, again a down move, a retracement over here. So what does this indicate? A downtrend and a retracement at its 50. So apart from this breakdown, my second reason is using the Fibo 0.50 acts as a retracement zone, and also it forms as a double top over here. So reason number one for going downside is breakdown. Then on Fibo we get 50% retracement, and so simple logic is movement in downside, a retracement, and again movement on the downside. Now let's take a longer time frame of 30 minutes and discuss why I was on the downside. So simple logic is over here is we see a down over here, this point being as support, second time this point being as support. As per rule, first time it shows support, second time it shows support, third time if it breaks this, it will have to move further down. So simple logic on a longer time frame, that it was on third time, so probable chance were to break that. And on a shorter time frame, three simple reasons of breakdown, 50% retracement, and double being formed. So that was the logic for today's trade, and I have booked this much for the day. So I'll come up with the next video on the next day. So that's all for that today. Thank you.